Hello, Tashi. So today we are going to learn Tibetan Lesson 8, negative form of to be. So we have here makiku, min, na, min, ma, ratenpo, re, tha, re, min, mare, min, mare, min, min, mare, mare. Now is your turn. Nice. So min, mare. So let's first look at the min. Min, makiku, min, na, min. Min is the negative form of the yin used in first person, either I or we. So it has like a subject and complement and verb. This is like a structure that we are going to make the sentence by using the min. So we have here nga Tashi min, nga Tashi min, nga as subject, and then complement is the description of the subject. So we have here Tashi. Min is the verb to be. So nga Tashi min, nga Tashi min, nga Tashi min, nga Tashi min, nga Tashi min. Now it's your turn. Nice. Nga Tashi min. So next we have ngan cho Tashi min, ngan cho Tashi min. Now it's your turn. Ngan cho Tashi min, ngan cho Tashi min, ngan cho Tashi min, ngan cho Tashi min. Okay, so right now we are moving to the mari. Mari meaning is not, are not used in second person or third person. So he, she, it, this, that, an object, fact. So the structure is same as before, subject, complement, verb. So we have here 걔랑 초모 말해. 걔랑 초모 말해. 걔랑 초모 말해. Now it's your turn. Nice. 걔랑 초모 말해. 걔랑 초모 말해. So we have here the next is she 뭐 초모 말해. 뭐 초모 말해. 뭐 초모 말해. Now it's your turn. Nice. 뭐 초모 말해. 뭐 초모 말해. Now it's your turn. Nice. 네 키 말해. 네 키 말해. Di ki mare. Di ki mare. Now it's your turn. Nice. So I have also here two homework for you guys. So we have here di, nghe, ki, which one is like mean or marry. So you need to pick a word and then like put it in there and then see which one is. And the next one is thế, nghe, ki, whether it's mean or marry. So these two are the homework. So we finish our lesson. If you have any questions, you can send me message. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye.